welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a crumbed zucchini bake. It's really nice. It's a vegetarian dish and it's so easy to put together. What I've done here, I've got two zucchinis. I've got them at that size, a nice size zucchini. I've just stripped a little bit of the skin off it and I've cut it in slices like that. I got about 9 slices to each zucchini, and just like that, very thin. And then I'm going to put it in the egg and put it in the breadcrumbs. Okay. What I'm going to do here, I've got 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I'm going to put some pepper through it and some salt. And some parsley. We've got to put some parsley in there too, which is nice, give it a bit of flavour. And I've got some nice parmesan cheese I want to put through that, give it a nice flavour, okay? So just mix that all together and you've got enough there. I went ahead and crumbed mine, so I've got enough here to crumb the other one, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I've got 3 eggs in there, and I'm going to put them in the egg and put them in the breadcrumbs. So what we do is like that, just put them in the egg, put them in the breadcrumbs and put them on a tray. You get 9 slices on each zucchini. Just put that and put it on a tray. That's it. And just put them in that like that. Put them and do them all together. Do them all at once and you can just fry them all at once. Put them all like that, crumb them, and just put them like that. That's all you. And now I'm going to show you how to put it together. This is a beautiful crumb zucchini. Just put them in the egg like that. I'll leave that there like that. And just keep on doing the same thing. In the egg and the breadcrumbs. Do them all and put them on a tray, and then you can fry them all together. And then we assemble them with some nice tomato sauce in a dish, okay? Just put that all together like that and put them on a big tray like that, so you've got them all ready. That's another one there. Okay, now I'm just going to show you what I've done. Okay, I'll put this away for now. We don't need it. Okay. And there's two of those good sized zucchinis, and you get about 9 pieces out of it, and lovely good size. You can just slice it down there like that. Just go down the oh, that wasn't very nice, was it? Just go down like that. And you get about 9 slices like that. There you go. That would turn out okay, didn't it? Okay, you get about 9 slices of that. Just put it together. Okay, so what I did, my next step is I've crumbed them all, okay? I've put them all in a dish, I've crumbed them all, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fry them. So what I did was I got my fry pan and I put some nice olive oil in it, and I fried them all. So when I fried them all up, I've got all these all fried up, okay? Now you can leave that like that and put it together whenever you like, later on in the day, or we do them in the morning and then at night. But what I do is I'll just fry them all up in one go. And what I did was I put it in the oil and fried them up. Okay, that was the next step. The first step was to do the tomato. What I did was I had 2 tins of diced tomatoes. I put some nice salt and pepper to it. And some olive oil in it. I've got the olive oil in it. And I've some garlic in it. I got 2 cloves of garlic chopped very thinly. And I put that on for only about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just to get it all through like that, and made that lovely sauce like that. Lovely thick sauce like that. I've got 2 tins of crushed tomatoes, okay? And that's the next step I did. You can make it in steps like this. It's easier to put it all together. So that will be fried up after. And now what I'm going to do is I've got my fried zucchini and I'm going to put it together in a tray. There's 18 slices. With 2 zucchinis I've got 18 slices, okay? That's all my crumbed. I crumbed it earlier, and you can just leave it like that and ready to assemble it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some sauce on the bottom of this dish, okay? Just enough. We don't want a lot. Just put enough on the bottom of the dish like that. Another bit. And then we're going to layer the zucchini on top of that. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to just lay the zucchini on like that. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put one across this way, 4, 5. Okay? And then that just fitted in lovely in that dish. There's 5 pieces there. I'm going to put some nice little bit of tomato on the top, just a little bit. We don't want a lot because we're just going to have a lot. Okay, just put a bit of that on the top like that. Spread it all. Just spread it all evenly over it. And I've got some beautiful parmesan cheese here. I grated all my parmesan cheese. I always have it grated up in a container so I can have it any time I need it. And I'm just going to put all that beautiful parmesan cheese. You could put your mozzarella slices if you want to, but I just got this beautiful parmesan cheese. It gives it a lovely flavour. Okay, so now here we go again. We're going to put another tray on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the third layer. Okay, we'll put another piece on the side there, and that just filled it up like that. Lovely, just filled it up like that. Nice. I'll put that other piece on the side there, and then I've got those pieces to go on the top. I can put another one on the side there, and then I'll be getting 3 layers of this eggplant. Okay, now just do the same thing. Keep on doing the same thing. Put that on the top like that. Lovely. Just spread it on. I had some lovely garlic on this tomato, and olive oil and salt, pepper. That's all you need, and you don't need anything very much. That's all. Just put it like that. That's lovely. You don't need a lot, just enough to cover it there. Now we cover it with the 3rd layer. The 3rd layer is plenty. We don't need any more. We just put that on there like that. That gave me 18 slices of crumbed zucchini, okay? And I put it on a tray. You can fry them up anytime you need it. Put them on a tray, and then when you want to use them up, you've got them ready. So what we do now, I've got that beautiful 3 layers of crumbed zucchini bake, and I'm going to put this lovely tomato on the top of it, finish it off with this lovely tomato and the cheese, and that's what we do. You can bake this anytime you want to. You can put it in the fridge, it is now, and then you can come home from work and put it in the oven. It won't take long in the oven because it's just all cooked, it's just all got to come together. I mean, 20 to 30 minutes, that's all you need. Just put that all together like that. Cover it all up. Cover it with some alfoil. You can freeze this if you want to. The way it is now, you can freeze it and thaw it out and then have it when you want. There you go. That's plenty. Just lovely. And what you do now, I'm going to top it up with this beautiful parmesan cheese on the top like that. Beautiful. This is such a lovely crumbed zucchini bake. It's such a nice dish, a nice vegetarian dish. And look, there you got my lovely crumbed zucchini bake. Do it in stages. Cut your zucchini. I had two nice sized zucchini, about that size. I cut it sliced, and then what I did was I put it in the egg, and then I put in the breadcrumbs. And you can leave it in the breadcrumbs like that until you're ready to fry it. You can put it in the fridge on the tray, or you can fry them straight away. What I normally do is I go ahead and fry them straight away, and then I can put together anytime I want to. You can have the tomato done any time and it'll keep well like that. You can keep it, and then you can put it together anytime you want to. You can freeze it, you can put it in the fridge and then use it up. Look, that's a beautiful crumbed zucchini bake. It really, really is nice. It's a lovely zucchini, a lovely vegetable dish, vegetarian dish. So I hope you'll try it and enjoy it. My family does, they love this. I haven't done one for a while, but I had these couple of zucchinis and I thought they were a nice size zucchini, a really good size, and I just sort of peeled a little bit of the skin off, and I got about 9 pieces. There was 2, 6, 8, about 9 to 10 slices out of a nice size zucchini, okay? So then just put your tomato in the pan with some garlic, salt and pepper and olive oil, and fry up your zucchinis. I'll put it in the egg and the breadcrumbs. Just put them on a tray with some paper, and then we'll just put it all together. You can have that all done in steps, in different steps, and put it all together, and there you go. You've got this beautiful crumbed zucchini bake, okay? And I hope you will enjoy it. Try it. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.